Hello, hi everyone. As you can see, our scanner in our software during the pre-market time, it basically scans the market. It basically scans all the stocks which are registered in the futures, and it will provide you only two to three stocks which are having in a strong buy or a strong sell recommendation. And as you can see, the timing, if I say show you the timing, JSW Energy is exactly given call of 9:05 of buy, Coal India sell, ONGC sell, and LT buy. So what exactly have to do whenever the in JSW Energy or in a ONGC or in a JSW Energy or LT, if a breakout takes place, you have to make an entry. You have to work on the option side of C of JSW Energy, and similar for the ONGC and Coal India. If a sell call has came, what you have to do, you have to work on the put side. Understand? It's very simple. As you can see, it scans the market before 9:15 and it provides you two to three stocks. Just what you have to do, you have to book the order into it. And if you can see in the JSW Energy how the breakout has came place, a proper buy call has came. As you can see on the May 27, a proper buy call has came. What exactly have to you have to do when a breakout takes place? What does this breakout means? It is in 3 minutes time frame, right? If you see here, it is 9, the candle has formed at 9:18, the closing has happened on the 9:18. How you have to make an entry? If 19:20, if 2 minutes, if the candle is breaking out, breakout, if it's sustaining upside, you make an entry. And if you can see here, first target 587, second target 590, third target 593, and stop loss 579, all are predefined. You have to continue the trade. How much you have to continue? You will exit on the first target? No. It's, you can see this downside, it is a P max line. What does it indicates, this P max line? P max line means profit earning maximum line. What does it actually do? It will continue the trade until there is momentum in the market. What exactly happens, no one knows how much momentum is there in the market, until how long the market will move upside or downside. What does that software do? Software actually basically find out the momentum, and on the basis of that it will make you trade. It will make continue your trade until there is a momentum in the market, right? This line, till both the lines are green, you have to continue. If you can see, it is not a, it is just a red line. If a single red line makes you an awareness that market can move in downside or it can go to the sideways. But what actually you have to do, you have to make an exit only when both the lines are red. Like you can see this, when both the lines are red, a crossover has happened, you have to make an exit. But right now, if you can see, after clearing the first target, till there is an both the lines are green, you have to continue the trade. Continue. Second target has been cleared. Continue. Third target has also cleared. You have to exit on the third target? No, you don't have to exit on the third target. You have to continue the trade until both the lines are green. And once this line have been crossover, you can make an exit here, right? And what does this yellow line indicates? This yellow line indicates that it is supporting the trade. It is a trailing SL line, which is basically made to modify your SL and help you to at least book the profits which you have made. And to most important thing, what happens in this Indian market after a certain point of time, whenever the momentum ends, the market falls in a quicker manner compared to it moves upside. So what does this trailing SL line do? It helps you to modify your SL till the market moves in upside. To what you will actually do, after clearing the first target, you will keep the stop loss above the first target. Then again, after clearing the second target, what you will do? Keep the stop loss above the second target. Like this, you will move an upside. It's a very good way, and like this only you can make a good amount of wealth through the stock market. Right now Nifty is in the sideways market. Suddenly Nifty has given a good movement, if you can see. And what is the major reason for Nifty to give you this amount of movement is just because of this Nifty metal and Nifty bank. Always remember, whenever Nifty 50 is in the green but Nifty metal is in the red side, then you will expect a good move in the Nifty. If the Nifty metal is in the green side and Nifty, you can see Nifty metal green, Nifty 50 is green, and see how the movement is happening in the Nifty side. So always remember, whenever if both are different, Nifty 50 is red and Nifty metal is green, a trapping will be happen. On nifty 50 green and nifty metal is red, a trapping will happen. It need to be understand, you need to build your own conviction, and with the help of this software you can build your own conviction and can maintain a good amount of trade. Always remember, this is an best thing that you understand while we perform or while you do the trade in this market. Nifty metal and nifty bank, if both are green, you can continue your trade in a very good manner in the CE side. If you see, a proper buy call has just came. Why? What does this buy call indicates? This buy call basically indicates you that market is going to move in an upside, and before that buy call, before that confirm buy call, our green star has came. This green star basically says you that market is going to an upside. It is indicating you, it is giving you a direction that market will be moving on the upside. What do you have to do? You just have to wait for this proper confirmation. For a beginners trade, for beginning traders, you have to wait for this confirmation. When a confirmation comes, what you have to do, you have to just work on the breakout. If a breakout takes place, you make an entry, otherwise properly wait. Okay, whenever breakout will be happening, buy above price will be given, first target will be given, second target, third target, and profit and loss, everything will be given to you. And what will be the stop loss, right? 24,000 C, you work on this, you will be working on this. And it's very important to understand that while you do trade in the nifty, you have to closely look to this tool. This tool is built on a basis of that only, because it will help you to actually decide the trade and find out a good amount of trade, rather just trading on a assumptions.